Most people think financial freedom requires grinding 80-hour weeks or becoming investment experts. They're adding complexity to an already chaotic financial life. The brutal truth: you're already expending massive energy maintaining financial chaos. Every subscription you forgot about, every account you check obsessively, every financial decision that keeps you awake at night. That's energy bleeding out of your wealth building potential. Real transformation doesn't happen through addition. It happens through strategic subtraction, through eliminating the 20% of habits, creating 80% of your financial friction. I'm going to show you the one identity shift that eliminates effort while accelerating wealth. This isn't about working harder. It's about becoming someone who naturally removes the obstacles between you and financial freedom. Your current financial identity is a collection of unconscious habits that are quietly draining your energy every single day. You think you have a money problem, but what you actually have is an energy management problem disguised as a financial challenge. The solution isn't another budgeting app or investment strategy. It's identifying and eliminating the friction sources that are sabotaging your wealth without you even realizing it. There are 3 friction categories systematically destroying your financial momentum: decision fatigue, maintenance overhead, and emotional labor. Most people focus on the money flow while completely ignoring the energy drain that's preventing them from building real wealth. Decision fatigue hits you every time you face a financial choice. Should I buy this? Which investment platform should I use? Do I need this subscription? How much should I save this month? Each decision depletes your willpower reserves, leaving you mentally exhausted and more likely to make poor choices later. The average person makes over 35,000 decisions per day, and a significant portion of those are financial micro-decisions that compound into massive energy loss. Maintenance overhead is the invisible time and mental energy you spend managing multiple accounts, tracking various subscriptions, comparing investment platforms, and monitoring different financial tools. You've got checking accounts at 3 different banks, investment accounts scattered across 5 platforms, and subscriptions you can't even remember signing up for. Every account requires login credentials, monthly reviews, and cognitive bandwidth. This maintenance work isn't moving you toward wealth. It's keeping you busy while your money stagnates. Emotional labor is the constant worry, comparison, and financial anxiety that runs in the background of your mind. You check your investment accounts compulsively, stress about market fluctuations you can't control, and lose sleep over financial decisions that won't matter in 5 years. This emotional overhead doesn't just drain your energy, it clouds your judgment and leads to reactive financial behavior instead of strategic wealth building. Here's what most people do wrong. They add more systems instead of eliminating friction sources. They download another budgeting app, open another investment account, or create more complex tracking spreadsheets. They're treating the symptoms while making the underlying disease worse. The audit process starts with tracking energy expenditure, not just money flow. For 1 week, notice every moment you think about money, make a financial decision, or feel financial stress. Don't judge it, just observe it. You'll discover that 80% of your financial energy is being consumed by 20% of your financial activities. Most of that energy is being wasted on low-impact maintenance tasks and unnecessary decisions. The goal isn't to optimize these friction sources. It's to eliminate them entirely. When you remove the 20% of financial activities consuming 80% of your energy, you create space for the high-leverage actions that actually build wealth. You stop being a financial manager constantly putting out fires and start becoming a financial architect designing systems that work without your constant intervention. Real wealth builders don't work harder. They eliminate lower leverage activities with surgical precision. This is the fundamental shift that separates people who struggle with money from those who build lasting wealth. While everyone else is adding more complexity to their financial lives, the wealthy are practicing strategic disappearance. The identity shift you need to make is from financial manager to financial architect. A manager reacts to problems, puts out fires, and stays busy with maintenance tasks. An architect designs systems once and lets them run automatically. The manager checks their investment accounts daily and stresses about market fluctuations. The architect sets up automated investing and doesn't look at their accounts for months at a time. This isn't about being lazy in the traditional sense. It's about being strategically lazy with low-impact activities, so you can apply focused effort to high-impact decisions. When you eliminate the energy drain of constant financial micromanagement, you create mental space for the big moves that actually matter: career advancement, skill development, or identifying major opportunities. Automation becomes identity transformation when you set up systems that reflect your future self rather than your current habits. Your current self might want to spend that extra $200 on something unnecessary, but your automated systems transfer that money to investments before your current self ever sees it. The automation isn't just moving money, it's reinforcing the identity of someone who prioritizes long-term wealth over short-term impulses. The three pillars of lazy effort are eliminated: automate and delegate. Each pillar removes a different type of friction from your financial life. Eliminate means cutting subscriptions, accounts, and decisions that drain energy without adding value. Close the investment accounts you never use. Cancel subscriptions you forgot you had. Stop researching investment options you'll never actually buy. Every elimination reduces cognitive load and decision fatigue. Most people are afraid to eliminate options because they think more choices equal better outcomes. The opposite is true. More choices equal more paralysis and more energy waste. Automate means setting up systems that compound wealth without conscious intervention. Automatic transfers to savings and investments. Automatic bill payments. Automatic rebalancing of your portfolio. The goal is to remove yourself from routine financial decisions entirely. Your wealth should grow while you sleep, while you're focused on work, while you're living your life. The best financial decision is the one you never have to make again. Delegate means using technology and services to handle maintenance tasks that don't require your specific expertise. Use apps that track and cancel unwanted subscriptions. Use robo-advisors for basic investment management. Use automatic bill pay instead of manually paying bills each month. Your time and mental energy are your most valuable resources. Don't waste them on tasks that can be handled by systems. Here's a real example of how this works. I had a client who was spending 10 hours per week managing his finances. He had accounts at 7 different institutions, was researching individual stocks constantly, and was manually tracking every expense in a complex spreadsheet. His net worth was barely growing despite his obsessive attention to money. We eliminated 5 of his 7 accounts and consolidated everything into 2 institutions. We set up automatic investing in 3 simple index funds. Instead of his portfolio of 30 individual stocks, we automated his bill payments and eliminated his expense tracking spreadsheet. The result? He went from 10 hours per week of financial management to 30 minutes per month. More importantly, his investment returns improved because he stopped making emotional trading decisions. Within 18 months, he had an additional $50,000 in net worth, not because he earned more money, but because he eliminated the friction that was preventing his existing money from growing efficiently. The compound effect of this approach goes beyond just the money. When you're not constantly worried about financial details, you have more mental energy for career advancement, relationship building, and identifying major opportunities. The lazy effort hack isn't just about building wealth more efficiently. It's about freeing up your life force for the things that actually matter. Your new identity is simple. You're someone who makes fewer, higher-impact financial decisions. Instead of making dozens of small financial choices every week, you make a handful of major decisions once and let systems execute them automatically. This identity shift changes everything about how you interact with money. The 3 non-negotiable systems that define this new identity are automated savings, simplified investing, and expense elimination. These aren't just financial strategies. They're identity reinforcement mechanisms that train your brain to think like a wealthy person. Automated savings means paying yourself first through identity, not willpower. Willpower is a finite resource that gets depleted throughout the day. Identity is a permanent operating system that runs in the background. When you automate your savings, you're not relying on future motivation to make the right choice. You're programming your financial life to reflect the identity of someone who prioritizes wealth building over immediate gratification. The specific implementation is crucial. Set up automatic transfers that happen immediately after you get paid, before you have time to spend the money on anything else. The amount should be significant enough that you notice it, but not so large that it creates financial stress. Start with 15% of your income if possible, but even 5% is infinitely better than zero. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Simplified investing beats complex portfolios every single time. One low-cost index fund that tracks the total stock market will outperform 90% of actively managed portfolios over any 10-year period. The reason isn't just lower fees, it's the elimination of decision fatigue and emotional trading. When you have one simple investment strategy, you can't second-guess yourself into poor performance. The wealthy don't have complex investment strategies because they're smarter. They have simple strategies because they understand. That complexity is the enemy of execution. Every additional investment option is another opportunity for analysis paralysis, another decision point that drains energy, another chance to make an emotional mistake during market volatility. Expense elimination is the most powerful wealth-building tool that nobody talks about. Cancel everything that doesn't actively serve your future self. This isn't about living like a monk. It's about being intentional with every dollar that leaves your account. Most people have $200 to $500 per month in subscriptions and recurring expenses they don't actively use or value. The compound effect of reduced cognitive load on wealth building is extraordinary. When you're not constantly making small financial decisions, your brain has space to recognize bigger opportunities. You notice when your skills could command higher income, and you see investment opportunities that others miss. You make career moves that others are too mentally exhausted to pursue. This lazy effort approach creates space for high-value opportunities because you're not drowning in financial busy work, while others are optimizing their budget spreadsheets and researching the perfect investment allocation. You're building skills, relationships, and businesses that actually move the wealth needle. Financial freedom isn't about perfect budgets or complex investment strategies. It's about becoming someone who naturally eliminates financial friction and focuses energy on high-impact decisions. The lazy effort hack works because it aligns your systems with your identity. Instead of fighting against human nature, start with the friction audit to identify your energy drains. Then apply strategic disappearance to eliminate them. Subscribe for more identity transformation strategies that actually work.